Hello, how are you? Fall nail design. So, followed by a very shade cost of the brand, a new pale pink shade simply me. She then took tiny processed flower, craft store find, soaked in alcohol and placed them on the nails along with a gold and a silver foil. Whether you are using traditional or gel polish, just be sure to sail in the three-dimensional elephant with the property is top cost. So mixed metal star, silver and gold, known as a no single season, but we are a loving combination of the both for a fun fall manicure like this one of a golden stain. Any opening silver polish will do for the base. Is no a place like creamy is a great pink, and any obscure golden polish will work for the stars. But if you don't trust your hand to be stainless enough to point on a perfect star, you can always try diesel to make it especially easy to achieve this look. Cute croc. There, mm, there is no need to bother with nail polish at all when there are such cute custom sized sticks on a nail gel like these are already available. Many me L8RG 8R set as a fabulous crocodile print effect. Drink green oval on the both lighter green and golden background that you can mix and match that feel both bold and versatile. You can accept this a 20 cent on a last will over a week and look absolutely perfect. Then there are a cute of a fit your scientific nails. I consider negative space. Black nail polish always make a big comeback every fall, but there are more ways to wear in this in just a soul shade, miss pop, middle black